Hey guys, today is Sparkly61 AJ here, and today, we're going to be trolling people, pranking people, I don't know, trolling, I think. Anyways, today I'm going to, let's just go to Alden, or whatever, I don't care, and say, your list for mine, and let's find a rare gem in Alden, that's right, and your list for mine, darn it. My god, no, here. It's gonna be someone with amazing list. Yeah, see. And my list consists of my Arios Fight Collar. Actually, I'm not gonna take that. People they might say no because I don't know if that's a fair trade or not. The heck? I wasn't about to say the frick. I mean, the heck? Oh my god. Sorry, I don't know about this. It's out of my head. Actually, I might accept this. This is a fair trade. I don't know. Then I have to add a little something. I spread it up, by the way. Sorry that I stopped that thing. I thought my dad came home for dinner, so I would have to go to eat dinner. But the false alarm, and I turned off the music just because I wanted to hear my dad came home, so we can eat dinner. And I think he's bringing food. I don't know. And I mean, I don't want him in the video, because that would be really weird. Anyways. Well, that was a grape tiki. And yeah. I really want some den betas, like actual real den betas. I don't know why, but I do. They're gonna say no to this, I know. I'm just doing this because I can. Did I already click on? Yes, I did. I'm crazy and I click on people more than once. It's a bad habit that I have. When I look at someone and I'm just like, oh yeah, I don't think I've clicked on them before, but I did. No thanks. The flip girl. Oh. The flip girl. OMG. Oh my gosh. I remember her, the flip girl. Oh my god. Life is hitting me like bullets. Oh my god. The flip girl. Okay. Right now I am drinking Izzy, and I'm very tired. Contains 70% juice, very low sodium, not a low-calorie food. Wow. Anyways, so, oh my god. This has turned into a trading video. Are you kidding me? I hate trading videos. I hate trading videos. I'm sorry. I really want these sunglasses for a look that I'm gonna make. It's gonna look fabulous! Okay. That was really loud, and my brother probably thinks I'm going mentally insane. Because I am at the same time. Probably gonna fail and end up getting this, but it's worth it. It's worth the time and effort that I put in. I remember when I was obsessed with these candy walleyes and like candy wall lamps, sorry, and I got like 9 and I was so obsessed with them and oh my god, it was so bad. I feel like I'm gonna burp, but it's physically impossible for me to burp. Max, and you watch this, you would know. I don't think actually you would. Yeah, see? I knew it. I don't make it. Miranda saying the volume. You guys wouldn't get it unless you watch Miranda saying in the closet of your room. Here, green, lawn, and yellow. Plus betas for my home. Babadong. Sorry. Change computer. I don't have real den betas. I'm sorry. And you say I'm underrated. Ugh. Barry, go away. I completely forgot. If you have never heard of who Perry is, that is my dog. Perry, go away. I swear. So go ahead. I'm gonna kill you. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. You love me either way, don't you, Perry? I don't make it. Anyways, but I remember the Flip Girl. I remember her. She is her. Swear to God. You say I'm underrated. Oops. What's wrong with me? The short little. That says pump. Anyways, so I'm pretty sure that's gonna wrap it up for this video. It was actually a pretty short video on my part, so the next video I am gonna do is a adventure video where I do Lucky Clovers, and that probably will take part on either Friday or Saturday. So because I've only played it once, like actually played it, actually fully done it, and I got a rare, a Monday rare. So I'm not really excited for next time. Unless, don't you have to play a couple of times before you actually get a spike collar? Is that like, oh my god. Anyways, and I will make it fun like Wisteria Moon did. I'm gonna be commenting and making it funny. So you guys don't get bored watching it, because I know how boring it can be to watch someone do an adventure. Yeah. And this recorder can only do up to 15 minutes, so I'm not going to be recording the whole thing. I'm going to be recording it in parts. So, yeah, because it takes like a freaking hour to finish that adventure, and I hate that adventure. So, yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow or on Saturday in my next video. So, bye!